Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do plantain fufu using oats. So what you need for this recipe is unripe plantain and oats. I'm making use of blended oats, but you can make use of any other oat you have at home. You know the regular oat we use for breakfast. You can make use of that if it's what you have at home. So next, I'm just going to peel off the plantain and then chop it into smaller sizes. Green plantain are rich with a type of fiber which help you feel fuller for longer, so it is very good for weight loss. Oat on its own contain a high fiber which can help you feel fuller for longer. So if you are trying to lose weight and you don't want to be doing fasting, eating oats in the morning as breakfast, maybe oat smoothie or oat porridge as breakfast in the morning, it can help you feel fuller for a long time before you have another thing to eat. So it's very good when it comes to weight loss. So some of you have been asking me if I don't eat fufu since I'm trying to lose weight. I eat fufu, but I don't eat our regular akpu, pounded yam and all that. It is either I eat plantain fufu or I do cabbage fufu. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare cabbage fufu. So once I'm done slicing it in the smaller sizes, I'm going to put it in the blender and then I add the oats on it. Then I'm going to be adding 2 glasses of water. So when it comes to adding water, do not add too much water because the plantain itself contains water. So you need to monitor the quantity you are adding. Then blend it smoothly and then transfer it into the pot. So on this recipe, it's going to be a little bit slightly different. On the other recipe, I did not add oil on it. But on this recipe, I'm going to be adding vegetable oil. Whichever one you have, sunflower oil, groundnut oil is fine. The reason why I'm adding oil on it is because I want it to be smoother. And I don't want it to be gummy when I'm eating it. So adding oil on your plantain fufu, or maybe you are doing semo, you add oil on it, is going to prevent it from having molds. And it's going to make the fufu smoother in the hands. So I'll keep stirring it around because I don't want it to get burnt at the bottom of it. So the more it heats, the more the thing changes in color. So you want to keep turning it around. You don't want it to get burnt. And make sure you reduce your heating. You don't want your heating to be too high. So how do you know that this plantain is ready? It's going to be yellowish in color. So once the plantain fufu becomes very yellowish in color, you know that it is ready. At this point, it is not ready yet. So you keep turning it in a low heat. Continue to mix it. Don't leave it to stay on the fire. So guys, as you can see, the plantain is getting ready. It's becoming more yellowish in color. So I'll keep mixing it around until I feel it is okay for me. I have a video on how to make plantain fufu without peeling off the back of the plantain. I'm going to be leaving the link of that video at the top of this video, so you can watch it as well. That recipe as well is very healthy. So guys, as you can see, the plantain is ready. It's very yellowish in color. Next, I'm just going to place it in a plastic foil and then I'm going to wrap it around. Allow it to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then the plantain is ready to be eaten. If you are still watching this video till this point, please don't forget to like, comment and share, okay? If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe and let's become friends. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I was so hungry when I was getting this plantain ready. I can't wait to try it with my okazi soup. It really came out nicely. I really enjoyed the meal. All right guys, see you all on my next episode. Bye!
The Pope takes a poop and the President too.